Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how safe it is to manage money with SoFi. SoFi is a legitimate financial institution and a nationally chartered bank, which means it is subject to the same strict regulations and oversight as traditional banks. Deposits in SoFi accounts are FDIC insured up to the standard amount of $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category. However, SoFi offers an extended FDIC insurance program through a network of partner banks, which can provide coverage up to $2 million. When it comes to security, SoFi uses a number of measures to protect your account. This includes 24/7 fraud monitoring, SSL encryption to secure your data, and two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security when you log in. You can also freeze your debit or credit card instantly through the app if you notice suspicious activity. While SoFi has many security features, it is an online-only bank. This means there are no physical branches, which can be a downside for some people who prefer in-person banking. You should also be aware that, like any financial institution, no system is completely immune to scams or fraud. There are some customer complaints online regarding issues with account freezes and customer support, which is common with any large bank. Overall, SoFi is considered a safe and legitimate platform for managing your money. Its national bank charter, FDIC insurance, and robust security measures are strong indicators of its safety. As with any financial platform, it's always a good idea to practice your own security habits, such as using strong passwords and being vigilant about phishing attempts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.